All right, so today we're going to talk about algebra. All right, we are going to discuss about algebra. So when you're talking about algebra, always think of it like the way you handle things. All right, you can talk about the unknown things or things that has no name yet, or things that you don't know their value yet. Okay, so for example, I might say, like the way we used to do it in grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, or grade 4, somewhere there, where you say a box plus 5 equal to 3. All right, we had such mathematics in early grades, where you'll be given a box plus something equal to a final answer. So what they'll ask you to find is the answer, okay, in that box. What number, what value will satisfy this equation? Okay, so what you're supposed to do, okay, you definitely find the number which is here. Or just to make it more interesting, because at grade 2, negative signs were not common. Let me put 8. Okay, so if it says box plus 5 equal to 8, most definitely we'll know the number that would be here. How? We should know that we need to add those two numbers that can give us 8. So what number is that? Okay, so our number in question is 3. So if you write a 3 in this box, that means your answer is correct. That is for grade 2, 3, 4. But for our grade level, this is a different thing altogether. All right? Under our grade level, this is where now we bring in the idea of, instead of using a box, you bring in a variable. Okay? You bring the idea of a variable. Okay? Okay? So, instead of putting a box, we introduce a variable. It is now this variable that it can be any letter, all right? Any letter on the alphabet. But mostly the common ones, you find they'll use A, they'll use B, they'll use H, they can use X, they can use Y, D, all right? So all these are variables, okay? These variables, they stand for the unknown value. Okay, they only stand in for the unknown value. Okay, so for this question, like that question there, how you can answer it using now algebraic expression or algebraic equations, it will be, you can use any of these, like I've said. It can be a plus 5 equal to 8. A plus 5 equal to 8. Okay, then we take this 5 to the other side by additive inverse. Now, let me explain about how the additive inverse works. What we want to do is to get rid of the 5, all right, on the right side, the left side. We want to get rid of that positive 5 on the left side. So we're going to take that 5 to the other side. How? By subtracting it both sides. So that now, 5 minus 5, it will give us a 0. So remain with A equal to 8 minus 5, which is 3. That same 3, you now find it like that.